It's correctly said, Microsoft is not about greed, it's about innovation and fairness. If Microsoft ever does applications for Linux, it means I have won. Yes. So today we are going to start up with Microsoft Word, and we are going to look how can we format text in Microsoft Word. So first of all, Microsoft Word, it is one of the most popular word processing software which was developed by Microsoft Corporation USA. It is an application software that is available in Microsoft Office Suite as well. It is powerful word processing software that allows you to create any types of text documents. So let's quickly have a look on how can we format text in Microsoft Word. So with this video, you will be able to understand the font group, paragraph group, and the styles group. So let's begin with fonts group. So from the fonts group, you'll be able to change when you will click over here on home and go to your fonts group. So there are different options. You can change the font type away from here. So you can apply any type, whichever type you want, Arial, Times New Roman, whichever type you want, you will be able to apply. So you can change the appearance of a document to make it look more attractive by formatting the text. So font group consists of font type, font color, and then font case, etc. So font type is used to specify size and design of the text. Font color is used to change the color of the text. We can highlight every part of the paragraph with the help of text highlight color option. Do tell that text there is typography effects as well, so it can also be applied in this. And formatting text in Microsoft Word allows you to adjust the appearance and style of your document content to make it more visually appealing and readable. So now let's look on font formatting. To change the font, select the text, or we have already learned in our previous chapter how to select the text. So first you have to select the text, and then under your home tab in the fonts group, can you see over here, home tab, fonts group. So you'll be using this only. So under this, first select the text, and under this fonts group, you can change the font face. Here it's this font face, it's right now Calibri over here. If you want to change it to Arial, you can change it to Arial. Even you can type in Nepali as well if you want. Whichever font face you want, you can change and then apply it. So suppose you want to apply Arial, you can apply even Arial also. And font size right now it's 11. So if you want to change the size, you can change whichever size you want. Okay. And then for you can make the text even bold also. Control B is the shortcut key for bold. Okay. And italics, Control I, and then underline, Control U. So, and then you can even change the font color as well. So under this home tab only, there is this font color option. Can you see over here, this font color option? So you can change the color of the font, whichever color you want. And then you can even highlight the text. Suppose this is same like even in our book also, the important part we are highlighting. So we can highlight the text as well. So suppose this is a very important. So I'm highlighting this text. So like this, you'll be able to, if you want to use some other highlighter, can highlight with the help of some other also. Just select the text and then, okay. whichever color you want to use. In text, highlighting the text, you can use. And now text effects. In the font group, you can even apply various type of text effect, like superscript, subscript, strike through, and small caps. So, for example, now, if you want to type the formula, chemical formula of water is H2O. So this 2, it should be in the superscript. Subscript. It should be placed below the normal line. Okay, so you can highlight that, select that 2, and then go to font group and select over here subscript option. So this will place the text below the normal line. Okay. Okay, so your text is placed below the normal line. So this is subscript option. So the function of subscript is to place the text below the normal line. Okay, so the shortcut key for subscript is what? Control plus CTRL plus equals to. So this is what? Subscript. And now, if you want to write, sometimes in maths, you may have to write 2 square, 2 to the power of 4. So at that time, you will use what? This superscript. So this is superscript, and it will make the text appear slightly above the line of the text or normal line. Okay. So this shortcut key for superscript is what now? Control Shift plus key from the keyboard. So this is the shortcut key for superscript. Now, if you want to, okay, this is superscript. Okay, superscript, and shortcut key for superscript is what? Control plus Shift plus. Okay. So this is the shortcut key for superscript. So now, with the help of superscript, we can make the text appear just slightly above the normal line. And then we can even do, like, suppose if you are typing this, okay, I'm using right now caps lock. My name is MIT. Okay, now if you want to make all these, change this. Okay, so here there is an option also. You can even use these options, change case option. So you can even use all lowercase as well. If you want to use all uppercase, you can use all uppercase as well, or capitalize each word also. You can do like this also, or you can even toggle case also, one small, one big, one, like that also. Okay, so right now I want sentence case only. So, and then, okay, if you want capitalize each word, so like this also you can do. And then if you want to decrease the size of the font, you can use this. And if you want to increase, you can use even this as well. Okay, so to increase or decrease the size, you can use from here also these two buttons, or you can even use this also, increase and decrease the size of the font. So this is the way. And then strike through also, if you want to do, you can click here in this arrow, and there is effects over here, text effects over here. You can even strike through as well. Sample is given here how it will strike, double strike. superscript, subscript, small caps, all caps, hidden. If you want to make, you can make it hidden as well. So hidden will hide. Okay, so like this. So now next is paragraph formatting option. So you can format even the alignment, spacing, and indentation of paragraphs. Use the alignment button to left align, center, right line, or justify the text. So how will you align your paragraph? So here right now I have not used any paragraph over here. I've used bulleted list. So you will go under paragraph over here. Okay, so we'll select the paragraph, and then here in home option, okay, we have paragraph group. On the paragraph group, we will be able to use this aligned left, aligned center, aligned right, and then justify. So these are the 4 types of alignment. Okay, so we can align our paragraph wherever we want. When we will do left alignment, what will happen? Our text will be aligned properly from the left side, whereas right side will be zigzag. If we'll do center alignment, then our text on both the sides will be zigzag, whereas it will be aligned, all the text will be aligned towards the center. Okay, and if we'll do which alignment? Right alignment, right side text will be straight, and then your left side text will be zigzag. And if we'll do justify, both sides text will be aligned properly here, because I've used bulleted list. It's not a paragraph. You cannot use, you cannot see justify over here properly. Okay, so when I'll come down, I'll be showing you that. And then you can even adjust line spacing or paragraph spacing and indentation from paragraph group on home tab. So here this is a paragraph group. Okay, so you'll be able to even like line spacing or paragraph spacing. You can click over here, and then line spacing options. Right now it's 1.0. If you want to increase the line spacing option, you can increase how much you want. Okay, and then paragraph is add space after before paragraph, or remove space after paragraph, you can remove. Okay, so with this you'll be able to add and remove spacing, line spacing, as well as paragraph spacing. Okay, so this is under paragraph group under in home tab. Okay, so now we will be able to create bulleted or numbered list. Sometimes we need to create bulleted list, and sometimes even numbered list also. So in that we'll be able to create, we will go in the home tab, same home tab, paragraph group. We have bulleted list over here. We can use different type of bullets from this bullet library. So whichever type of bullet we want, we can use it from the bullet library. And or you can even define your bullet how you want it to look like. Okay, and you can define new bullet as well. Okay, symbol, you can use any kind of symbols from here. Okay, so different kind of bullets can be used from online as well. Okay, so you can change your type of bullet also. Okay, and then if you want to create a numbered list, you just click over here, or what kind of numbered list you want. You want 1 2 3 this kind, or Roman 1 2 3, capital Roman 1, small Roman 1 2 3. Okay, capital ABC or small ABC, like this, small, whichever type of numbered list you want, you can use this. Okay, and now styles apply. If you want to apply predefined styles to your text for consistent formatting and a professional look, these styles can be found in styles group. It is in the home tab. Can you see this? This is home tab, and this is styles group, right? So you'll be able to use this. Okay, so you can select your paragraph or select the text. Okay, so and then whatever type of form this styles you want, you can change to that style, or you can even create your own style as well. Okay, so you can select one among these. Okay, I want to create, like, give emphasize this paragraph, so I'm writing this in this emphasis style, because it is like all others are not in italics form, so this is only in italics, so maybe this is very important, so that's why I'm emphasizing this. So next is borders and settings. You can even add borders around text or paragraphs or pages and apply background shading to text by going to borders and setting buttons in the paragraph group. Okay, so you will go here in border and paragraph groups. Okay, so you have borders over here, so you can apply borders wherever you want. Okay, so like this is my paragraph right now. Okay, top border, whatever, right border, no border, all borders if you want. This is in the form of columns only. I've written outside borders. If you want inside, whatever, you can draw tables as well. You can use even borders and settings. Okay, styles, you can choose page border if you want. You can choose even page borders as well. Okay, for example, you want this kind of page border, so you can choose this kind of page border. Okay, so whatever type of borders you want, you can choose from here. You can go to your border and shading, and then you can choose settings also, what kind of fields you want. Okay, this is too dark. I'm using this. Okay, this kind of shadings, or if you want to apply in the whole the space also, you can apply border and shadings. Okay. Okay, whatever types you want, you can apply. Okay, right now I'm not applying anywhere. And now the paragraph group is used to apply formatting on paragraphs of the document written in MS Word. Paragraph group consists of text alignment. We have already seen left, center, right, and justify. And then it consists even bullets and numbering. So bullets, any kind of bullet we can add. Numbering also, any kind of numbered list you can add. Okay, and then it also consists of border and shadings. I've already explained border and shadings. Okay, so when we want to write text in points or numbers, we can use bulleted or numbered list. Alignment refers to positioning of text. We can apply right, left, center, and justify. And we can even increase or decrease the space between paragraphs or lines by using paragraph spacing options. Okay, line spacing options. And border and shading option can be used to highlight the text to make it more readable. Okay, so this border and shading you can use, it can be used to highlight the text, and even like it can be presented, your document can be presented in a well mannered. Okay, so you can even highlight, you can use even color also. Okay, so like this we'll be able to use all these options. Now the style group is used to apply different styles to the text. Okay, so I have already mentioned earlier about this style group. Style group consists of quick styles and drop cap, and this helps, this style groups helps us to apply different kind of styles on our headings to make it more attractive. Okay, so even drop cap feature allows a us to enlarge the first letter of paragraph. And in Microsoft Word, you can use the drop cap feature to create decorative or stylistic effect at the beginning of a paragraph. So drop caps are often used in documents like novels, magazines, or newsletters, and making the opening paragraph or first letter of the chapter stand out. So how will you use this drop cap feature now? You will select the paragraph. I don't have any paragraph right now over here. I'll open another MS Word. Okay, I'll use this one over here. Okay, here I have paragraph. So I'll select the paragraph. Okay, and now after selecting the paragraph, or you can also, there are different ways to select the paragraph. Okay, you can double click over here, or you can triple click anywhere inside the paragraph, then also be able to select. Okay, so like this, you'll be able to select. Go to insert tab now. Go to insert tab, and then you'll be able to, in the text group, you have drop cap option over here. Okay, you have drop cap option over here, so you'll be able to add drop cap from here. Okay, you will see three options: non, and then dropped option, then in margin. Whichever option you want, you can apply. So for example, like this. So your first, while working towards like this, it will be. So first dropped option. Okay, let's do again. Okay, so this dropped option, this style places the first character below the base line of the rest of the text. And then this margin, this style positions the first character in the left margin, allowing the text to flow around it. And this next we have this non option. Okay, this option removes any drop cap. So like this, you'll be able to use drop cap. Or you can select a style, click on one of the styles to apply it to the paragraph. Okay, drop cap style. Okay, so you'll be able to apply. Now adjust drop cap option. If you'd like to further customize the drop cap, you can do like this. You can right click on the drop cap. Okay, there are drop cap options. Drop cap option. In the drop cap dialog box, you can specify the number of lines for the drop cap and distance also, like that, right? So for example, heading CS, okay, lines, how many lines you want to drop. Okay, I'm choosing 4 lines. Distance from the text, how much you want, like that, you can apply. So, and then you can click OK. Yeah, it is changed. It looks more appealing. So the drop cap should now be applied to your selected paragraph. You can use the drop cap feature to give your document an elegant and a distinctive look, especially in novels and magazines. These kind of looks are given. So this is the way you can apply even drop cap. Okay, so now almost we have seen everything in the style group as well. So now you can use the drop cap feature to give your document very elegant and distinctive look. So I hope you'll be applying all these in your document while creating anything so that it will give you a appealing looks. Thank you so much for today. Thank you for giving your time for watching this video.